Prime Minister Fiame Naomi Mataafa met with the executives of Lakapi Samoa, where the strategic changes underway were discussed as Samoa Rugby positions itself for the future and in preparation for the 2027 World Cup in Australia. The Prime Minister stressed the importance of sport as a significant contributor to social and economic development in Samoa and the role of sports in nation building as demonstrated by efforts of Lakapi Samoa and its national teams, Manu Samoa 15s and Manu Samoa 7s. Fiame also highlighted the establishment of the new Ministry of Sports and Recreation as an example of the government's focus on lifting participation and high performance across all sports in Samoa. The Prime Minister acknowledged the ongoing challenges facing Lakapi Samoa and offered her own challenge to Lakapi Samoa to continue its commitment to nurturing local talent, including active participation of women in rugby, through its in-country development programs. Led by the Chief Executive Officer, Falomavaenga Vincent Vepuleai, Lakapi Samoa shared its strategic program of change aimed at ensuring a sustainable future for Lakapi Samoa. The Prime Minister emphasized the importance of strengthening partnerships, including with government, to ensure a greater return on investment from the global recognition of Samoa through the Manu Samoa brand, and endorsed the transformation approach presented by Lakapi Samoa. Also discussed were two medium-term infrastructure projects, such as a fit-for-purpose multi-purpose stadium and a high-performance facility in Savaii, as part of the strategy. Lakapi Samoa recognizes the need to align its efforts with the government's priorities, emphasizing the shared goal of serving Samoa by achieving success both on and off the field.